Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Today we have uh, BMW 2012 5 Series F10. We have a problem with the car is shaking too much, like there is a misfire. So let's go together and see what happened, what the misfire caused. We used the dealer tools before, but we want to use Maxi 6 Hotel to see what the reading and how is the misfire, if there is any misfire data there or not. Car, as you see here, and I'm gonna go start the car or turn the ignition on. Then I'm gonna use this tool here. I will go to diagnose. I will go to VIN, auto detect. Let me turn the AC off completely by the fan. Here is a disclaimer, I accept it. Actually, you see the VIN number is here, I will say okay. This is 528i Xdrive N20 2012. Okay, I'm gonna say yes. Turn the ignition off. Ignition is off. Maybe the car itself turned the ignition off by itself and turn it on. Yeah, the car will turn the ignition off by itself and turn it on. Okay, 19%. Type here we have the whole three functions. We have programming, we have diagnose, we have service, we have functions. I don't know what the function means here, but if you have a computer, you can look at it like power windows, the steering column, throttle body, odometer. I'm gonna go back. I will go to diagnose, control unit, only one. I need the engine control unit, DME, digital engine motor electronics, read codes. Okay, you see here, auto sensor, catalytic converter, misfire, several fuel injection cutoff, misfire, several exhaust damage, compensation, misfire, several cylinder detect, misfire, cylinder 2, fuel injection is cut out, misfire, cylinder 2, damage exhaust gas. Some BMW, when there is a severe misfire, the computer will cut off the cylinder function so that it will stay off. Let's see what happened here. I'm gonna free service manual. I will go back. I will erase all the codes. I will say yes. Read code again. No code. Let me see if I can start this car. There is still there is a misfire. So I'm gonna see if I can read the code, and this misfire will come out. You see, permanent ignition, cylinder number 2, ignition cylinder number 2. But guess what? Everything is being done in this car, but still this cylinder is still misfire. The conclusion is that engine computer is no good. I have a video using the dealer tools, but we need to go a little bit on depths. We already unlocked this computer, changing it, and we're gonna change it soon. But I want to show you one thing more. Let's go back here and go to live data and see if we have misfire data is available or not. So we're gonna go down, idle target, PSI, oil pressure, throttle valve, variable timing, temperature, fuel rail. The fuel rail pressure is supposed to be 1359 psi, which is that's supposed to be the normal. Just put in your future that the fuel rail pressure must be 1395 all the time. The fuel, electric fuel by mileage is supposed to be 4. If the car is running normal, it's supposed to be 4.399. Be sure that is important. When you give gas, it can go more. See, you go to 10, and psi here you go to 1815. Okay, but my job here now is I want to know which cylinder rough running. Cylinder 1 rough running value, cylinder 3 rough running value, cylinder 2, you see here is too much. This is the misfire that I'm talking about. So this car, so let me go to 1 4 1, I mean 2 4 3 1 1 3 2 4. Also I want to check one more. I don't need I just want to need the misfire. So I will click on select, and then I'm gonna go here. Either you can choose this one, also is a good, this one, and then this one, and then why I don't have nothing here? No, this is counter. So I gotta go back, request diagnose. I don't need counter, I need misfire. One, 3, 2, 4. Show. Okay, now I'm gonna go here. I go to this. I go here. I go to this. Here, this. This. Look at the cylinder. Look at the other cylinders, how they work. But this one here is a flat. You see here 0 misfire. This is 0.047. This have a little bit misfire. Those two, they are good, but this one here 23. 23 is too much. Let me give you another way. Give me by this. Give me with this one. Look how the misfire go far. Look how the misfire go. Oh, let me go back. Look at the misfire. Cylinder number 1. Sometimes he jump, but he go back. But you see, you know, like here, we have no problem. But this is 27. It's too much. 27. Okay, let me go back. Oh my goodness. Also, I'm going to look for PSI 2. The last one I'm going to look for it. Running value 2, 4, 1, 3. Show. Go here. On this. On this. On this here. So this one is not. No, this is counter. Go back. Let me come back. Let me choose the right one. The RPM is 1000. RPM is high too. Okay, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about my cylinder rough running value 1 3 2 4. Show selected. I gotta go by clockwise speedometer. Look here now. Between 0 to 1 acceptable. 0 to 1 3, you know, like it's not bad. But look at this 25. It's too much. And this is cylinder number 2, 502. So we know for sure that this cylinder must not exceed this one. Okay. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostics. Please subscribe and share. We are going to put that